Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Viewers, welcome to Study Hub. In today's video, I will discuss with you about sentence correction of English Precis and composition paper of Special CSS 2023. So before we start the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon that you will get latest updates from our future videos as well. So without any further discussion, without any further delay, let's get started. Sentence number 1. I am looking forward to see you on Monday. Correct sentence is I am looking forward to seeing you on Monday. Sentence number 2. How many students are ready to give the test today? Correct sentence is how many students are ready to take the test today? Sentence number 3. I contacted my 5 colleagues, but all of them did not respond. Correct sentence is I contacted my 5 colleagues, but none of them responded. Sentence number 4. I am tired and would not or rather go out this evening. Correct sentence is I am tired and would not like to go out this evening. Sentence number 5. Our economical situation is worsening day by day. Correct sentence is our economic situation is worsening day by day. Sentence number 6. One can find useful information about eating nutritiously on the internet. Correct sentence is one can find useful information about eating nutritiously on internet, or you can use it on the internet. Both are correct. Number 7. I could not found you there yesterday. Correct sentence is I could not find you there yesterday. We use first form of verb after models. And number 8 and last sentence is orphaned in infancy. He was brought about by his grandparents. Correct sentence is orphaned in infancy. He was brought up by his grandparents. Viewers, that's all from today's video. Hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon that you will get latest updates from our future videos as well. So viewers, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.